Okay, the website I chose to do for my screencast was Canva. Um, I know a lot of people are familiar with this website, but it's just one of my favorite websites to use. And for those who aren't familiar, I just want to go into depth about what you can do on this and how it's useful for students and teachers. So, this is the homepage for Canva, and it's really easy to sign up. It's free to sign up, which is awesome. And once you create an account, it will save all your designs and whatnot. So here's my account. I just logged in with my email, which is super awesome. And it's completely free. So there are options to sign up for a more premium deal to get more access to all of the templates and features on Canva. But the free version is what I use, and it works perfectly fine for me. So here's the home page. So when you first open Canva, this is what will pop up. It's super easy to navigate. So here's where you can access your designs. You can share designs super easily. Those are the two I use the most. And then as you look over here, there's different things you can design, such as presentation, social media, video, print. You can print your products, marketing, and so much more. And then up here is the tabs. This is one of the most important things to use when you're using Canva because it has the templates. So Canva has tons of different templates that are super awesome. For personal use or whatnot. So it has social media, which includes tons of stuff like Instagram stories, Facebook posts, Facebook covers, YouTube channel art, tons of cool stuff. Then it has personal. I've seen people make their wedding invitations on Canva, postcards, resumes, cards, t-shirts, super cool. Business, I use that a lot during school. You can make presentations, websites, logos, marketing, posters. I've used that a lot, brochures, newsletters. And then, of course, education. This will be super helpful because I'm an education major. And so I'm sure I'll use this a lot in the future. And, it has, you can even decorate your classroom with stuff in it. It's super awesome. So then, if you scroll down, you can access your designs. So here's one of the designs I did 13 days ago. And I got assigned to make this little about me poster for one of my classes, and Canva just made it super easy. It was super easy to make this poster, and I could totally make it my own. I could choose my own font, my colors. It's also super easy to upload photos, which is one thing that I love about it. So if you look over here on the side, so I can go in and edit this. Elements, under elements, you have stickers, you can put photos, videos, audio, super cool stuff. And then for uploads, this is where you upload photos. As you can see, I've uploaded a few already that I used in my poster, but it's super easy to upload photos. You can literally just click on your photo app on your computer. I have a Mac, so I can just click on my photos and I can literally just drag the photo into this and it will upload, which is super easy and super short process. And they upload perfect. They're not blurry. They look just like they look on your computer. And then there's text. So this is you can add cool stickers, or you can add headings, and then when you click in here, you can change the size, the font, bold, tons of cool stuff. So that's just the product. And one awesome thing about Canva is, I already talked about this, but it's completely free and it's super user friendly. So, and anyone can access it. So, and one other super awesome thing is it saves all your designs. So, if you ever are afraid of losing something or something gets lost, it will always be here in Canva under your account, which I think is super awesome. So this is Canva. Here's the pricing. So if you look up in here, it can show you like what you can get $1 for your buck, and which is super cool. I just use the free once again, and I just think it's a super awesome website that people should take more advantage of.